In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time animations in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add a touch of dynamism to your designs but were unsure how to control the flow and timing of animations, then this guide is for you. Let's get started. First things first, head over to canva.com and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. For those who prefer quick access, you can log in using Google, Facebook, or simply with your email. Once you're logged in, you're all set to dive into the creative world of Canva. Now, let's begin by adding an animation to the desired element in your Canva design. This could be text, an image, or any graphic element of your choice. Once your element is animated, you'll need to select it. You'll notice a floating toolbar appears when you do so. On this toolbar, tap on More and then select the Show Element Timing option. This will help you gain more control over how your animations play out. Upon selecting Show Element Timing, an element timeline will pop up below the editor. This timeline is your playground. Here you can adjust the duration of the animation by dragging the handles at the edges of the element tile. If you want an animation to go slowly, stretch the handle. Conversely, make it shorter if you prefer a quick transition. In addition to changing the duration, you might want to reorder the sequence in which elements appear. For this, simply drag and drop each element tile within the timeline to your desired position. This is especially useful for storytelling within your designs, where the order of animations can significantly influence the narrative. If you need to fine-tune your animations even further, you can use the trim handles on the timeline to precisely trim the beginning or end of an element's animation. This is a perfect option for when you want to align elements precisely with your design's theme or mood. Furthermore, Canva provides sliders and input fields, allowing you to set the exact duration of each animation. Being precise can really elevate the professionalism and polish of your finished product, so don't hesitate to use these tools. Finally, always preview your animation to ensure the timing and sequence match your expectations before you finalize your design. This step is crucial because it gives you a chance to experience your work as your audience would. Make any last-minute adjustments as needed, and once satisfied, save your design. And there you have it, you've just learned how to time animations in Canva. With these steps, your designs can move beyond static visuals and truly engage your audience. Thanks for watching and happy designing.